Hey guys, today we're out here in West Texas and we're going to be installing a Coverlay dash cover on my 1982 Silverado. So we've got here our Coverlay dash cover. It comes with the silicone, the cover itself, which looks entirely original, and it's plastic so it'll hold up well, and then also a sheet of instructions and the warranty, which is lifetime. And then here's the cover. Looking good. Okay, so all you have to do to install these dash covers is take an ammonia-based cleaner, such as Windex, and just spray down, I didn't open this up, and just spray down your original dash real well. Make sure you have it nice and good, and then just clean it off with a towel or some paper towels or something like that. Clean the back of your Coverlay dash cover. And now it's time for the test fit. And just like that, everything works. Once you've cleaned everything off, you just want to take your silicone adhesive and apply it along the replacement dash cover about a ½ inch from all of the edges, and also from the openings.
Now we're going to install the dash cover.
Okay, as you can see, we've taken some pieces of cardboard and wedged the cover down to make sure it's good between the windshield and the dash. And we've also taken some weights and just set them on the top to help hold it down. Now we're going to take some of this painter's tape and apply it anywhere that the dash is sticking up some so the silicone can dry. And in about 4 hours, it'll be good to go.
Wow, check out that new dash cover. Now from the other side. Ouch, remember that old dash? Goodbye, busted dashboard. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to go get yourself a Coverlay dash cover. You won't be disappointed.